Good morning. My name is Oliver Imbachin. I'm a student in the Bussing Administration program. Today, I'm going to present an amazing place location in the department Huila. Called the Hunt the Gigant. The reason it closed its play is because it is a majestic location that enjoying can visit there to relax off the break away from their routine. It is peaceful and relaxing place that offers with great views of the natural landscape. This place offers us a spectacular view of the entire valley. There is its location as it is situated on top of mountain. Visit Cornwall on the Lark Hunt location at the suit to take photos and enjoy the great view. They can also swim off a swing that is under a giant rainbow. This place is a great adventure for people who don't know where to go on vacation or for a trip. It clean recommended to visit and enjoy all its attractions which only the hand of the gigant location in the Huila department can offer us. Thank you. I hope you felt encouraged to visit this place.